guys, when we manage these trades, while we're managing it, the EA is just putting us in the trade, but when we manage the trades, we're going to profit. 9 wins, 2 losses today. 9 wins. Our $300 account, we're $321 profit just today, managing it. The EA, again, guys, the EA just puts you in the trade. We're going to be managing and showing you how to manage it and having Zooms 2 days a week, Mondays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern, showing you how to manage the EA. Also, we have a signals channel that, again, that's going to be putting all these trades that you see into our signals channel, where you can actually, manually trade these signals too. Guys, this is amazing results with our EA.